Ensuring the safety of your assets means keeping track of changes over time. Niricson's powerful defect assessment tool, Autospex, simplifies this with its change detection and comparison mode, allowing users to compare data from multiple surveys of the same asset. Asset owners can monitor changes in individual cracks over time. In this example, the crack size increased from 124.4 centimeters to 141.7 centimeters. New cracks have also formed between the first and second surveys, highlighting additional areas of concern. With Autospex Change Grid, users can also quantify the change occurring at each defect. It is also possible to track repairs on specific defects. For example, this spall have been repaired, and the comparison mode allows users to monitor changes visually. Autospex also provides insights into the deterioration rate of assets, helping to predict future conditions. Change detection in Autospex helps asset owners monitor maintenance, assess crack seal or sealant failures, and document repair materials and effectiveness to refine future practices. By conducting multiple surveys, Autospex helps create a digital baseline for your assets. Powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, this baseline supports a robust decision framework, enabling you to track condition changes, establish trends, and make data-driven decisions for a safer future.